Don't run over there, Brian. Oh, word. What's wrong?
Come here, DJ.
Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
TJ, you want Lana? You don't. Oh, fake out. Who's that? Who you sitting with? You don't want to talk? So hi, Mr. Brian. Don't do that to my nephew. What you doing, boo-boo? Oh, no.
That's not
Yeah, no. Oh, don't cry, boo-boo. What's the matter? Come here. Come here. Oh.
Pick it up. DJ, pick it up. Or just look at it. Good job, DJ.
DJ.
That's not the piece.
You trying though, boo-boo. I thought he was gonna try to put another one.
Go get the top.
DJ. Go get the top. Okay. Fall back. No. Ow. DJ. There's no TV, boo-boo. Can I have it? Thank you. Just do it first one time, and then he'll do it. No, put it down. Put it down, boo-boo. Thank you. I don't understand you.
Oh. Go back and do it again.
What? He went back that way. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Put it down. Put it down.
Say hello. Wait, where's the phone? Say hello. Say, who's this?
Me.
It's mommy? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright? That's how you say it?
Put it down. I don't want it.
DJ, come here. Oh, you're extra fighting it, DJ. Yeah, you did it. Say hello. It's for Brian. Come here, DJ. Yeah, you. Ooh.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you did it. Excuse me? DJ, come here.
Oh.
Oh!
Ah.
What you doing? You trying to do a split?
Yeah.
Go over there. Go up to the steps and ask him if he want to eat. I bet you he come running. He probably just gonna follow you anyway.
Come on.
Extra salty right now. DJ, you want to eat? Oh, you stealing him. Oh.